Stratasys Direct Manufacturing is the leader in advanced manufacturing and 3D printing services. We have more than 30 years of experience in additive and conventional manufacturing, providing rapid prototyping and production parts backed by highly skilled experts. Stratasys Direct allows customers to design, innovate, and meet demands of any scale by providing access to FDM, PolyJet, stereolithography, laser sintering, SAM, MJM, P3DLP, as well as conventional technologies such as injection molding. What sets Stratasys Direct apart is our huge capacity. We have 200 industrial-grade printers and 3 additive manufacturing facilities, serving all our customers' needs, from prototyping to end-use production. We come alongside our customers to provide extra capacity and expertise, delivering parts in less time than traditional methods. Stratasys Direct understands the manufacturing process from start to finish, whether it's designing parts, building functional or cosmetic prototypes, or making end-use parts. We know the business of 3D printing. We excel at high-requirement production of plastic parts, which is why regulated industries like aerospace, automotive, and medical choose Stratasys Direct. We have a full suite of secondary processing and finishing services to make parts as beautiful as they are functional. Quality is vital in our business, which is why we've invested in world-class quality management systems to ensure projects are done right, on time, and on budget. From part design to manufacturing and inspection, Stratasys Direct brings quality products to market faster.